Oh, do you mind?
I have no mind. I'm the village idiot.
You know, headquarters hears about this. I may even get a promotion. Good deal all around, huh, Bernardo? I get a promotion, and you Puerto Ricans get what you've been itching for. Use of the playground, use of the gym, the streets, the candy store. So what if they do turn this whole town into a stinking pigsty? Hey, don't stop him. He wants to get home right if you let us to San Juan. Tell him how he's got it made over here. What I mean is, clear out, you. I said clear out. Oh, yeah, sure, I know. It's a free country, and I ain't got the right. But I got a badge. What do you got? Things are tough all over. Beat it!